Okay, good morning po. So, we are now preparing the medium for the hydroponics. So, the materials we use is that since we are utilizing 1:1 ang ratio po. So, I utilize po 1 sack of carbonized rice hull and 1 sack of rice hull. So, as of this moment, we are sterilizing the materials to be used. So, in this area, we have the for the hydroponics. And on that area, which we are going to prepare later, we will be preparing for the soil medium. So we will also utilize one sack of plain loam garden soil. So it's prepared and ready for mixing. So we also have here 1 sack of rice hull. So we will also be sterilizing. Wala na, puno na. So we will also sterilize it, and we are going to wait at least 8 hours to expose it under the sun.